we are trying to amend it just to make it in line with the current electoral laws. From there, that's where the consultation will come in place for next week. So I encourage the general public come out and get the view. We need your view with regards to this amended bill that will be tabled sometimes in November. From there, once the bill has been passed as a law, then that's where the Fijian Elections Office will come in. That's where we'll do our registration and our voter education. So at the moment for Fijian Elections Office, apart from the legal framework that we are working with the Ministry of Local Government, we are also preparing for the registration process and looking at the training of the election officials as well. Previously it was 21, now we've moved it down to 18. So next week the public, they'll see more of what we have proposed, and their feedback is important, because from the feedback then that's where it will be put back to cabinet and then they'll finalize the bill. When you look at the bill, it has the requirement for registering to vote at the municipal level. So I'll just look at the requirements. We have proposed the requirement that they have to be part of the National Register of Voters. So they have to register first for the national election. That's one of the requirements. The other requirement is that they have to be 18 years of age. And apart from that, they have to be a resident of the ward. So that is really important in order for you to vote, because we're looking at the ward. You have to be residing in that ward first, and then that's where we will be able to register you. And you might be wondering, okay, if I'm not registered for the general election, and then what, should I go to the Fijian Elections Office and then come and re-register and register for the municipal election? We're looking at logistics around it. When our team is going down to register people for the municipal election, we'll also have a team there standby that will enable them to register for the general election if they haven't. I think the people should understand, for the municipal election, it's within the wards, the system. As compared to the general election, you can vote at any place, as long as you're assigned to that polling station. So for the municipal election, the key requirement is for you to be residing in that ward. So for instance, if I am residing in Lami and I'm part of that ward, I won't be able to go and vote in, say, another ward in the Western Division. And if you are now living there, you need to change your residency. Change your residency first, then you'll be able to move to that area. But another requirement there, you have to be residing in that place as well for 3 months.